at 5. I'm going in.
It's Sunday morning, the snow stopped, and now we have to get ourselves out of here. The snow is so high on the front that it's higher than the level of the door. I'm not going to be able to open that door properly until I get that front stoop swept off. And it's even higher off the side door off the kitchen. It's like we're not going out of that door anytime soon. Here's looking at the kitchen sink window. When we went out yesterday at 1:30, we measured that at 16 inches. I suspect there's a little more on top of that table now. Here's looking out the back door of the garage into the backyard. You can kind of see the footprints from when Tasha and I were walking around yesterday. The depth here, which we measured I think at about, what was it, about 15.5 inches? I don't remember what it was. It's now a little over 18 inches. Once again, I'm stuck wearing my stupid soccer shoes because my boots are out in that car. No choice but to shovel now. Might as well get started. Do it. What? Oh. Oh. The shoveling of the driveway is complete, the shoveling of the walk is complete. Now it's time for a reward. And now this is more like it. Actually, this is more like it. Thank you, Tasha.
You're welcome.
A job well done.
Isn't it though?
Would you like to be in our home movie?
Are we done now? Because it's f***ing cold out here. So now it's time for a treat. Time for a, let's take two on that. That's terrible. What am I going to say?
Now it's time.
Reward. Reward. That's the word.
Now it's time, because then complete and treat rhyme and sounds silly.